Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Lexi. Today I'm doing something super drastic. As you see, my hair is wet. And that's because today I want to cut my hair into basically a bob. I'm really only cutting off like this much, so I guess that's maybe 2.5 inches, but I'm very excited about it. I'm going to be doing it myself right now. My hair's already wet and detangled. I have my part in my hair because this is the part that this is basically where my natural part lands. And now I'm going to separate my hair. I've been wanting to do this for a couple of weeks now. I just wasn't sure, but I think it's going to give my hair some really good shape and help my curls clump better. See, this is relatively all the same length. So I have my scissors and I'm just going to start because I know that this part of my hair doesn't bounce up as much. Through the back of your head. This short is kind of hard. Okay. I know this part of my hair doesn't bounce up as much, but sometimes when I cut my hair, it does. It like brings shrinkage back up. Okay guys, so this is the final look to the cut. I ended up cutting not as much as I thought I was going to. I like how short it is, especially on this side. On this side, obviously I didn't, cut too much of the layers that I have here because I need them to grow. They're just too short on this side. They're too short on this side. Like you could tell it's like a shelf right here and then long. That's just the layers that I have on this side of my hair. See? So I'm going to be growing that out. This side came out awesome. This is what I want for my whole head. This is what I want, like everything to be the same length and short. So I'm gonna grow this out so I can do that on this side as well. Just a blunt cut, it feels lighter. This is the back. I can still put my hair in a ponytail. It's just shorter. I'm gonna re-dye my roots, but this is the end of the video. So I will see you guys in the next one, and please like this video and subscribe. Bye!